What's going on, everybody? I've got some breaking news for you. If you're doing anything online and you don't have a product or service that you can sell, you have nothing available for sale, then the chances of you making any revenue are 0%. And it took me a long time to realize this because I was thinking about it and I was like, if I'm blogging and building my email list, but I'm not promoting anything and I'm not selling anything, then I'm not gonna make any money. And you gotta make money because to have a website, it costs money for web hosting. To have an email list provider, it costs money. To have all these cameras, all these computers, all this stuff, it's not free. So here's what I decided. I'm taking this thing to the next level. And with that, I've gone ahead, I'm doing the One Funnel Away challenge. They actually send you this physical box here. This is what they give you with Clickfunnels, the One Funnel Away challenge. And the whole thing is you're one funnel away, which is kind of cheesy, but I like it. So I got this, I'm gonna open this here on camera. Let's go ahead and do it right now. Here we go. This is Preston's Corner, I'm Preston. Let's jump into it, as Philip DeFranco would say. Let's do it right now, here we go. Let's go to the overhead camera. All right, this is it. One Funnel Away by Clickfunnels. So they send you this big box here. So I'm gonna flip this thing over. It's so funny because they've got all this confetti here. Look at this. If you open it, and this thing's huge. I've got my camera mounted up, but your training officially begins now, Sir Winston Churchill. This is really cool, I like this. Inspiring quote. Are you inspired yet? Okay, well, you should be. Here we go. This is it now. Look at all this confetti that's in the box here. This is absolutely over the top. I mean, this is gonna get everywhere in my studio, but it's awesome, I like it. So, here we go. Would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away challenge with you? Of course, there's an affiliate link. Listen, if I think this is good, I'll put a link down below. If you sign up through that link, I might get a small commission. That's all there is to it. I believe in this. I've purchased this, so you know it's legitimate here. I'm not just peddling this to try and make some money, but I like this. You can encourage people to join. Not something I would put right at the top of this because I haven't like seen what you have here. So back to the overhead camera. Okay, here we go. So first things first, we've got a couple things here. We've got this black box. Okay, One Funnel Away. Let's open this up first. Uh-oh, a mystery USB drive. That's what that is, okay? It's a USB drive that you can plug in. The One Funnel Away challenge. Definitely gonna have to plug that in, figure out what's on that. A couple other things inside of this. Here we go. That is pretty cool. Okay, I'll put that back. So that's in there. Then we've also got this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Russell Brunson, Clickfunnels, 30 days. Whoa. There's a bookmark, I guess. Okay. Let's put that down. But this is literally, if we open this up, I like this. Look, you're starting from 0. You suddenly lose everything. What would you do day 1 to 30 to save yourself, to get back to where you need to be? This is so slick. So here we go. I think it literally goes day by day of what you need to do here. So this is awesome. Literally giving you emails, tactics, everything you need day by day here. Okay, I really, really like this. Oh, wow. So it's telling you based on what you're gonna actually be doing here. So I guess you need to go through and figure out what you're gonna do. For me, I'd probably do not a high-tech, probably an e-commerce funnel for sure. So I would check that out. And then he gives you each one of these selling funnels on Instagram. That's one I definitely wanna check out. He's got another e-commerce funnel right here. That one looks interesting. How to pre-sell courses with webinars with Dan Henry. That one's really good. I think I want to check that one out. It sounds good. I don't know if it's good. Affiliate marketing, how to sell products, how to sell other people's products and services How to teach a masterclass, ebook launch. There's tons of people making a lot of money with ebooks, so that's another one you'll definitely want to check out. That looks interesting to me. Auto webinars, online courses via auto webinars. Okay, interesting. Coaching clients, a lot of these high ticket. Okay, so this is it. You also get this, 30days.com. Look at this. This is a huge book. How many pages is this? Okay, look. I'm on page 532. This thing is over 540 pages. Absolutely massive. So that's also what's in here. So I'm gonna put this to the side. There's also this here, a workbook. Again, the confetti is getting everywhere. The One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. This is like Mission Impossible on a Clickfunnels computer. It's pretty funny what they've done. They're making this whole funnel thing cool. I like it. This is fun. Okay, so let's open the workbook here. So the workbook, you know, the table of contents, introduction. He's telling you week by week what you're gonna get. I love this. Look, you can literally go through and fill in the steps here. This has been the problem for a long time here. Just let me go on this quick rant because this has been a huge problem. A lot of these programs, they promise the world and then they just throw you to the wolves. This, look, it looks like, and I'm gonna be going through this here shortly, so it looks like he's actually giving you what you need. What are you stuck with? How can we help you? Journal it, and you can get over those challenges in your business. So this looks really promising. I'm really excited about this, and I'm gonna be going through this, like I said, building my first funnel in Clickfunnels. So let's keep going here. What else do we got? Let me see. Some confetti and some styrofoam. Okay, that's it. Quickly, look, you get this. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge, the drive that has all the lessons on it. I believe it's audio, possibly even video. USB drive, watch this right here. Bam, you plug that into your computer. You can find all of the actual lessons. It's probably an MP3 player as well. Look at that, yeah. You can plug in headphones right there. If we can get that to focus, there we go. So there's that. Then you've also got literally the workbook here that shows you exactly what you need to do, getting over your challenges, doing what you need to do there day by day, and then your action plan. This is it. It's literally a book showing you what you need to do for 30 days based on whatever actual funnel type person you are, whatever you need to do. If you're trying to create an e-com funnel, a coaching funnel, how to sell on Facebook, LinkedIn. Like, this is mastery level from a guy, Russell Brunson. I mean, he's done it. This is not, you know, you always got to take advice from people who have actually done what you're trying to do. So this is really cool. Like I said, I'm going to be going through it. I'm launching a funnel with Clickfunnels. Really like their software. I'm really interested in what they're doing. But for this video, I wanted to show what's inside the One Funnel Away Challenge. That's it. And then you got all this confetti. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. If there's something else you wanted to see from me, please let me know. Or if you have any questions about what's in the One Funnel Away bundle. If you're thinking about selling online and it's something you want to be doing and you've wanted to do that for a long time, check out my link below. Join the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's only $100. You check it out. You get your funnel live. Literally, they show you exactly what you need to do to start selling, to build your funnel, depending on your niche. Like I said, I'm gonna start doing it because it's been a big problem of mine. I haven't actually taken action and launched it. Check out the One Funnel Away Challenge today. Link down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.